Children, this is your basic anatomy.
It's the mask.
Good morning, guys. Monday. So today is Monday, and my mother-in-law is getting ready to leave in a little bit. The kiddos have to clean their room. Say good morning. Oh, what mommy got you guys doing? Exactly. Because what they do is they shove their clothes in the drawer instead of folding them. So I emptied out all their drawers, including this guy, because he had stuff. He's the worst because he has so much clothes. Oh my word, he has so much stuff and it still doesn't fit in his closet. So and there, oh my gosh. And then this little missy right here, she was ruining that dresser by shoving her stuff in there. So I had to pull everything out, and then I had to clear out her closet because this is where her dolls reside, and there's a lot of them, but that's where her dolls reside for right now. I want to get rid of it out of there, but for right now, this is her. And then Miss Maddie, I'll show you guys Miss Maddie. Oh, laundry stopped. This is Miss Maddie. So I have to clear out this closet here as well and put all her stuff. Like Maddie's room is a mess. So I have to get the house in order because next week is the next weekend is the birthday party. And what are you doing? What are you up to? Why'd you steal his stuff? Go put it back. Come on. Let's go give it back. It's not yours. Come on. At least you need to ask if you can play with it. Come on. Let's go ask Bobby if you can play with it. Come on. You have to ask if you can play with someone's stuff. Whose is it? Is that his? Yeah. Ask him if you can play with it. So may I play with it, please? No? Okay, she doesn't want it. Thank you, though. Alright, I need to go find Maddie's diaper because we bought diaper yesterday, but I can't find them and she's out. I need diaper to change your butt. Your bum bum, okay? Mama. You need diaper to change your bum bum. My bum bum. Hey, we don't need, no, Leah, no. No, we don't need to see all that. Leah! Not nice. Okay, whatever. You have to pour that out in the trash can. There's a trash bag here. Grandma's leaving. I'll catch up with you guys because my mother-in-law is going, so I have to go say bye. Okay, guys, so my mother-in-law went home and still cleaning. I think found the box of diaper though. Hey, Jesus, put the cold food back in the refrigerator. What are you doing? Put the cold. Give me the cold food. You can't eat that. Mommy, warm up your stuff. Oh my gosh. Here, this is yours. What do you say? Thank you.
I opened it with.
Oh my gosh. Oh, thank you. So we found the diapers. Found diaper. We need to do a diaper change right now. Can you stop? It's hot? We know it's hot, so you don't have to scream. Give it to me. Let me cool it.
Here.
No, not you. I want to cool it, not you. Okay, all right.
He does that too.
All right, thanks. Let's go change your bum. It's long overdue. Come on.
He doesn't want to.
Come on, girl. My house is a hot mess. Welcome to my world. Alright, come on. Come on. Get that bum change. Ew.
I can change
Ew.
it.
Oh my gosh. Can't you wait until your butt is done changed before you eat?
Messing with my head again. You had your heart set on me, but these feels, they come and go, and they come so easily. Tell me what it is about you that I can't forget, but you're breaking down my walls again.
Her first day as a 2-year-old, still breastfeeding, by the way. Have no plans to stop no time soon because I don't have anything for dinner. That's a lie. I have leftover milanesas that I have to fry because what is that? All that garbage needs to go out. I have mango cake I could eat for breakfast. I'm hungry. Oh, that's right. I was making my coffee. I was making coffee. Oh Lord, now I have to reheat. So I'm gonna go eat some leftover chicken because I'm still hungry. I'm hungry. And I will catch up with you guys. Go sit down and eat your chicken. So I'm having leftover chicken nugget and thing. So I'm gonna put that in there. And this is done. What are you guys doing today? It's Monday, November 19th. I want to go to the store, but I don't feel like it. So, I'm just gonna have my coffee and watch some YouTube videos and then go finish clean because I don't feel like being bothered today, you know. More. Let's go. You know that's when the coffee hits your system. It's like but I'm gonna go eat. Paul.
Mommy, can I get cake for breakfast?
Which nugget do you want? You want this one?
Mommy, can I get cake for breakfast?
Or you want that one? You want this one?
Mommy, can I get cake for breakfast?
You can't have cake for breakfast. Like, where they do that at, dude? Come. You want 2 nugget, Maddie? 2? Let's try you with 2 for right now. 2 is okay? We have to heat it up. You can't eat the cold food. We gotta heat it up. Let's heat it up and then you can have it. No, mommy. You don't cry for food. Don't cry for food, Maddie. You cannot cry for food. Okay, that should be warm enough. What do you say? Thank you.
Mommy.
It's hot. Blow.
Mommy.
Blow. Say. Blow. Blow. Good girl.
Can I get this for breakfast?
It's not lunchtime. Did you?
Breakfast.
Yes. Huh? Is it good? Yeah. Okay. So. Bye. It's several hours later and I've only managed to clean my living room and the dining room. I just finished vacuuming and so yeah, that's all I got done. Just that little bit right there. And I'm just ready to go sit down now because I'm not touching this. Yeah, right. No, ain't gonna happen today. Ain't happening today. That's a lie. It has to happen today because my husband should be home. Look here. Get out. Get the flip out the refrigerator. Get out. Give me a butt. 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 Don't go back in that refrigerator. Do you hear me? Do you hear me? Don't go back in that refrigerator. Don't go back in that refrigerator. Do you hear me? Turbo 2. Someone, Sarah, you said Turbo 2s. Yes, it sure is Turbo 2. Ooh! Makes me not want to do anything. It's 3:34. I'm gonna take a 20-minute break.
Yeah, there you go, girl.
Hubby's home. He's home. Hold on, hold on. I stay having to clear my memory card. I don't know why that thing always. Oh. So hubby's home. Right there.
Yeah, they're gonna have a freaking.
Shut up! Shut up!
Freaking ramen noodles.
Shut up! Say it again.
No.
Shut up!
Maruchan. These are not even ramen. Ramen.
They're not ramen?
I'm not the only one that tastes the seasoning.
You're nasty. You're disgusting. Anyways,
Heartburn.
the kids are in the basement. First day. First day. First day.
First day what?
First day from school, and my husband got the Spanish music going. He's just downstairs like banished the kids to the basement because, well, I didn't. Hubby came home. I had the bright idea to put on music and put them down there. So they're downstairs. Even though it's loud up here, it's peaceful. I can enjoy my tree. Not like you're gonna do anything for me. You're gonna take me upstairs, Rob?
Stop lying.
Hi, Rob. Eat your ramen, your knockoff noodles.
Oh man, I thought this was cinnamon.
Wouldn't that be funny if you pour cinnamon in your noodle?
That would suck.
You gonna make me some?
Move from here. Move. Go make your own Maruchan noodles.
I don't want any. No, thank you. No, thank you. You guys need to sponsor me for some dancing class because I can't dance. It's like we don't have any kids. Ooh, come on, Rob. Let's get freaky.
Go sit down.
Come on, Rob. Let's get freaky, Rob. Come on.
Don't have many seats.
Oh, I just said that to Jaxson tonight. I said that to Jaxson.
Go have many seats.
Come on, Rob. On the counter. Come on. On the counter, Rob.
On the counter.
I'll go on the counter.
Don't go on the counter.
No?
No.
You don't want my booty juice all on the counter? Oh, jeez. I swear sometimes I don't know who be coming out. I gotta go, people. Kids are jamming. What y'all doing down here? What y'all doing? I said don't eat without me. I'm coming.
It's hot.
I'm coming. Rob, I'm coming.
Okay. You keep coming.
My kid's grandmother bought them this big old tub of, what is this?
Sticky something.
3 pounds of something. Like, look at this. Counter. Like, I like playing in this stuff. Do you guys like playing in here?
Sounds like squeak.
Ew, you're disgusting. Make a big penis. Rob, I'm gonna make a big penis. with balls.
Try that slime.
Look, is this a peanut?
That's gonna be a slimy dick.
It's gonna be a slimy dick. What is that, you may ask? It's just a street leading to a cul-de-sac. Ooh, there we go to our dick neighbor.
Take a joke! Take a joke! It's a joke! Take a joke! I have issues. Take a joke! It's a joke! Rob, I want to slap you with this. I want to slap you with this slime. Rob, come here. Watch out. Come here, babe. Ready? Ready? Come on, catch it, Rob. Catch it, Rob. Ready? Ready, Rob? No, I like it. Hey, we gotta put it back. We gotta put it back before it doesn't come. We gotta put it back, dude. Okay. Alright, let go, let go.
If I make it, it literally makes me want to throw up in my mouth. But when he does it, it's so good. Comment down below if you put egg in your ramen noodle. Anyways, guys, I think that's it for today. I'm gonna go. So I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys. Shut up.